My today's recipe is crispy evening snack cauliflower pakkoda. We can use this as starter or side dish. Let's get started. First, chop the cauliflower into medium sized and boil it for 2 minutes with salt and turmeric powder and strain the water and put them to a mixing bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix it well. We can use our palm to spread evenly. Then add 3 tablespoons of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of chilli powder and salt as per taste. Again mix it well to blend all the flours and salt in cauliflower evenly. You can add little amount of water if required. Heat oil in a fry pan and drop into hot oil and fry it. When golden color comes, drain it from the oil. Now our crispy cauliflower pakkoda is ready to serve for evening snack and it goes well with hot tea or coffee.